Mastering the art of outbound calls. In today's fast-paced business world, communication is key. Let's dive into the importance of outbound calls in enhancing your business performance. Outbound calls are the lifeline of many businesses. They are proactive calls made by a company to potential or existing customers. Whether it's for sales, customer service, or follow-ups, outbound calls are a powerful tool for fostering business relationships. The effectiveness of outbound calls lies in their personal touch. They allow for direct engagement, making customers feel valued and heard. However, mastering outbound calls isn't easy. It requires excellent communication skills, patience, and the ability to handle rejection. So, if you're looking to boost your business or sharpen your communication skills, understanding outbound calls is a must. Join us as we delve deeper into the art of making successful outbound calls.